Oh, what's going on? Mills, how's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, nice shirt.
Thank you.
Is that new?
Maybe.
Okay. Looking to install this Sirius Stiletto SL100 into a modern vehicle, we'll use the SLV1 vehicle kit. The base has ports for the 3.5mm line out, along with the antenna, and power port. Let's verify everything plays nice together before elegantly mounting it inside this beautiful 2017 Cadillac XT5. There's a 3.5mm auxiliary input jack under the armrest, but we noticed some analog interference noise. Turns out it was coming from the connector of the vehicle. So as an alternative, we purchased a receiver/transmitter Bluetooth dongle. This is a Taotronics Bluetooth 5.1, 2-in-1, both transmitter and receiver. Wow, that's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. What a cool and useful device. Except it was very, and I mean very, reluctant to connect to the Bluetooth system in this vehicle. If I had to venture a guess, it's probably an incompatibility between the Bluetooths, or Bluetooth. This became so frustrating. I absolutely cannot recommend this particular Bluetooth dongle.
I can do all.
Your device?
Turn it on.
You gotta hold it for seconds, 5 seconds or something.
Still filming?
Why?
These things are always so finicky. Somehow I got on Garth channel.
See that? Then it goes.
Mm-hmm. Connected to it.
The Smithsonian Magazine says about
in its defense, it had no difficulty finding other Bluetooth speakers that we tested. But I still hate it. I have to say this is kind of junky.
Yeah, that thing's just looking for a search thing. No.
With it finally tethered Bluetoothly, let's mount it up.
Yes. Now it'll forever be paired.
People are protesting in downtown Chicago today, calling for changes in the city's policing. The demonstration...
Free the uppermost friction fitting on the passenger windshield molding. Pop out the dashboard's side panel. Loosely pull off the black weather stripping. Now let's feed the antenna wire behind the windshield molding. There we go. Hey, there it is. We found the most ideal mount regarding quality of reception for the antenna to be in the center of the dashboard. Replace the molding and weather stripping, and feed the antenna wire through the glove box. Now any excess cable can be twist tied together. We elected to use the curved mounting bracket that came with the SLV1 kit. Power. Antenna. And line out. Feel free to conceal cables behind the friction fit armrest. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe so I could see you again. Thanks, Milbs.
Yeah! Another successful project. Oh, what the heck? It like backed out right when I was gonna hit something. Somehow I got on Garth channel.
Not a fart.